Unlike oil paints, acrylic paints are quick drying, easy to use, and simple to clean up, and there are various colors available. As a first-timer, purchasing the right acrylic paint for your paint job can be a daunting process. There are many products available to choose acrylic paint, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best acrylic paint for professional artists from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Crafts 4 All Acrylic Paint Set. For beginners paint sets, this acrylic paint set has a broad, vibrant color selection you can use to create different paintings. Crafts 4 All Acrylic Paint Set packs a wide range of color selection of 24 unique paint colors, making it a one-stop shop for professional artists and casual painters. The vibrant colors have a high pigment, creating various colors that produce masterpieces to impress your teachers, judges, or coworkers. Every acrylic paint in the package has excellent buttery consistency and viscosity, with a high dry time. Unlike other acrylic paint brands, Crafts 4 All is ideal for a variety of surfaces such as plastic, canvas, glass materials, card decorating, art foam, and paper. Furthermore, the acrylic paint brand set packs bonus accessories, which are 3 extra paintbrushes. Positive side of this product: water-based acrylic paint and thus easy to clean. A high-quality and durable set. Toxic-free product and thus creates vivid colors. Suitable for a variety of surfaces. Number 2. Liquitex Basics Acrylic Paint Set. The Liquitex Basics line is the best acrylic paint is an artist-quality set that packs 48 tubes, each measuring 22 milliliters, and works great for beginners. The smart packaging design is excellent as it can sit upright where the tube's bottom is the end where the paint comes out. The line of acrylic paints can be used on any porous surface, and it is excellent for any artist on a budget and professionals, since the paint is UV resistant and doesn't yellow over time. The basic body paint is thin compared to the same brand's heavy body acrylic paints, such as the Liquitex Professional Grade. They also have great pigmentation, can be easily washed with water and soap. It is odorless, providing excellent coverage. Another bonus reason for these acrylic paints is that they can be used as watercolors. Basics acrylic paint is a heavy body acrylic with a buttery consistency for easy blending. It is ideal for learning color theory and color mixing, and is intermixable with all Liquitex professional acrylic colors and mediums. All colors hold the AP seal from Acme, and are safe for educational use. Positive side of this product: it has an affordable price. The package is of a good design. Allows hassle-free blending. Has vibrant colors. Beautiful satin finish. UV resistant and water resistant acrylics colors. The line of acrylic is sold as a set, or you can buy individual pieces. Wide color selection for a grade paint. Number 3. Reeves Acrylic Paint 10 ml Tubes. Reeves Acrylic Paint is student-grade acrylic paint, perfect for children. No need to buy it individually, better to opt for a full set of 24 colors. Even if they are student-grade, the paint offers nice and vibrant pigments, good covering properties, easy to use and clean. It is great for first-time painting. Brighten up your world with pigment-rich water-based color with this acrylic set of 24 10 ml tubes. That's more than a match for virtually any surface. Positive side of this product: comprehensive range of strong, vibrant colors. Achieve great results on virtually any surface from canvas to wood, clay, fabric and even metal. Water-based colors that go further and stay stronger for longer. Number 4. Liquitex Professional Heavy Body Acrylic Paint Classic Set. These Liquitex acrylic paints have a satin finish, and they're non-yellowing and UV resistant when dry. The colors are bright and permanent, and reviewers say they provide much better coverage than cheaper brands. However, these paints are on the more expensive side, starting around $10 for a 2-ounce tube. Another popular heavy body acrylic brand is Liquitex, which comes in an impressive 93 colors. This professional quality acrylic paint has a smooth, creamy consistency with good surface drag, and it also has an increased open time, meaning that it takes longer to dry. Positive side of this product: the paint film is highly flexible, durable, non-yellowing, UV resistant and water resistant when dry. Number 5. Cellier Artist Acrylic Set. This acrylic set comes with strong colors that pop out when they dry, and a slightly soft texture packed in 10 tubes of 21 mm. Cellier Abstract Acrylic Set has a high-quality pigment load that provides a saturated color that retains its stability, opacity, purity, and clarity over time. These acrylic paints have a soft consistency and easy to mix, and it is smooth on canvas paper. The acrylics paints provide a water-resistant, permanent, non-cracking, and non-yellow film. These properties make it an ideal choice for blending, mixing colors, and glazing while maintaining a luminous color. Positive side of this product: it can be used on various surfaces. A soft and buttery texture when put on canvas. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.